Hello there everyone again. Welcome to your sixth C++ programming tutorial. And in this tutorial we are going to be going to learn how to use the cin syntax, right? In the other video we learned how to use the cout, and now we are going to learn how to use the cin and what is the difference between them. So yeah, the cin is basically a code, so you could give the user of your program the authority to give a variable in a number that he wanted. Right? So for example, we are going to create a variable first of all, integer, which is a, and we still don't know the do you remember in the third, I guess, tutorial, when I told you we are going to declare variables but we don't know yet what are the value of these variables. This is the situation for that, right? So we declared a variable, but we don't know the variable, the value of this variable. So yeah, we are going to be putting cin. So we are going to write a code to make the user of our program give a value to this variable right here, the a, right? Cin. Instead, when we use the cout, we used to do less than signs, right? So, but in the cin it is the opposite. We are going to put the bigger than signs, all right? And then put a and a semicolon. Boom, that's it. So when we build and run this program, it gives you a blank black window, right? So you can enter any number that you like, for example 100, and yeah, thank you. But this is not useful. We have to give the user something that he can understand, right? So we want him to we want to write a message to him, right? First of all, so how to write a message? Of course, by using the cout. If you watched my previous video, cout, and writing a message, for example, enter any integer. Yeah, I guess I spelled it right. Integer value, and yeah, semicolon, and boom. Let's wait for that to be built. Enter any integer value. Thank you. Right there, enter any integer value. So now we can enter 99, for example, and boom, the program has ended. If you want to make him know what number that he entered, of course we are going to put the cout, and cout, for example, the value that you have entered is a. Of course we have, because the value that he entered is stored in the variable a, and then we are going to show him what is his variable. If you want to end the line of not or not, you are free. I am going to end the line because it is a proper thing to do. And build and run this. Enter any integer value, for example 88, and the value that you have entered is 88. Thank you. So if we want to enter many values, all right, so what are we going to do? Values are going to be stored in different variables, so we have to create different variables, b, c, and so on, right? So we are going to be copying that, for example, right here and right here, but we are going to be writing b, and then here c, and the values the values that you have entered, I am going to make that correct and very beautiful for the user. But enter, we're not going to put any, the first integer, the second integer, and third, for example. This is a little cool program that everyone can write, right? So the values that you have entered is a, and then let's make a comma between them, right? And then b, and then comma, and then, you know, this is just a waste of time, and C, and then end the line, right? So probably it's gonna be working good. Let's see, enter the first integer value, so probably I'm going to enter 100. Enter the second integer value, which is going to be 400. Enter the third, which is going to be 1. The values that you have entered is 100, 400, and 1. Thank you. The process returns 0, so there is no problems, and execution time 13, and it was indicated. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed using this in. So this is how to make a contact with your user. So this is when you are, for example, if you want to create a program and ask your user to enter a password or something, this is how you are going to ask him to enter a password. But then you are going to be programming if the password is right or not right. So I am going to show you too many stuff, so stick on and like these videos, subscribe for more. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.